Xavier said, hey, Stefan, got a lot of questions today. I guess because I haven't been on in a little bit. It's been Marku. Xavier said, hey, Stefan, I've been messing around with the timing of the appearance of my buy button on my VSLs, depending on the VSL. Sometimes I have better results when it appears really early on, and sometimes when it appears very late. Is it something that should always be tested, or does this mean my VSL is not structured as it should be? That's interesting. I'd like to know over how many sales it is. I think testing is smart for every offer. Like generally for me, it's like whenever the first call to action of like, click the button, either first time it says like click the button now and buy, right? That's when I would usually show it. Or the first time I reveal the final price, like, while it's normally $97 right now, you can get for just $37. But usually they're gonna be pretty kind of like, grouped together. That's usually the sweet spot and the place that performs best. But it depends on stuff. It depends on the offer. It depends on the price point, a lot of other things like that. So until you find something that's really consistently working at the same spot every time, I'd probably continue to test. My default would be to test with the button being around like the final price reveal and call to action. But yeah, I mean, if you're seeing fluctuations, it really means you gotta keep testing it. So that one's that one.